How to fix ABN AMRO app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. In the search box, type in the app name, ABN AMRO, and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage on your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then scroll down, find the app ABN AMRO. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. Solution 3. Check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. You can head towards the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, and give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, switch between networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is apply solution 4. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the app. You'll get the option of Remove app. Click on it. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app ABN AMRO, and then install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix ABN AMRO app won't let you log in. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.